Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, hello everyone. Good evening and welcome to our podcast. Today we're going back to talk about a very important and heartbreaking issue, bullying. Recently, Indonesia was shocked by the case of the late Timothy, a student who became a victim of bullying. And before we start our talk, I will introduce myself and our friends today in here. My name is Masratul Kamalia and
My name is Neno Fitri Albasnan.
And I am Karisma Rahmatullah.
so together we'll discuss about what bullying really is and what happened in Timothy case and what we can do to prevent this from happening again. Okay, so in Timothy case, what do you think about bullying is?
Alright, so in my opinion, bullying in Timothy's case, I take a conclusion. Bullying for me is when you keep hurting someone or someone, and it can be words or action or even it's joke. Maybe we didn't realize if we make a joke, but it is part of bullying. I think that's all.
And I am very agree with Nenok's statement. And I want to add a statement about bullying. So bullying is not a two-sided action, but only one side action. When people give like a word or action, like Nenok said, that it is very very hurting people and others. Can be a joke and serious activity from the bullier, like that.
So after I heard your opinion about what is bullying, recently we heard that there are news in Bali from Udayana University. It's a Timothy case. He had bullied by his friends. And what's your opinion about that case?
Alright, so from Timothy's case, from his sad story, I can take a conclusion that bullying is still happen around us. As we know, Udayana University, it is a big and famous campus in Bali, but the place is school. Actually, school. It place for student for us to grow up together, but sadly, it has become a place for bullying. So this is the proof that bullying is still happen around us.
Alright, about Timothy's case, it is about one of students from Udayana University that be bullied by his friends in the campus, and I think it is very very ironic because friends in the campus that should be careful, should be care and friendly with anyone, but sadly in this case Timothy, he is a special people, I think. We can realize that people around us still lack of caring with others, right? And especially for students like us in the campus in the university, that is should be more care with others, I think, especially for people like Timothy, like a special person.
Okay, so thank you for your opinion about that before, and I have a chronology. I heard the story about the Timothy that the news is so. The news is so. I think it's not. There are so many opinion about Timothy case, like is it really bullying or it is not? And but some people believe that it was a bullying from his friend in university. But some others, like police or campus staff, and they give a statement that is not bullying from his friend. It's just because Timothy is a special person that make his do that. Okay, so what's your opinion about that statement from the people?
Because before I search about the news about Timothy's case, and I know that his parent claimed that he has not like illness, because the campus said Timothy has like an illness. I don't know what is like psychology. So the campus think that he died. He jumped from the campus building because he is stressed and because his illness. But after I searched the news, his parents claimed that he has not that illness, and he is really kind person when he still lives. And in my opinion, I think I don't know it is true or not, but in my opinion, I think this is part of bullying. But I don't know before he died there is a bullying or not. I don't know. But whatever is there bullying or not before he died, we should not do bullying, because after he died, some people still bullying on him, and we never agree about that. So yeah, I think that's all.
From the chronological about the Timothy's case, we know that he decided to jump for fourth floor, yeah, and it, in my opinion, it is part of bullying or not. I think we cannot decide, because the person that the person the person that felt it can't be explained anymore. So one of the real story we can hear from Timothy, honestly, but we can't do this anymore. So it is only our opinion that I'm very agree with Lennox's statement that maybe it can be part of bullying from many of his friends on university, because I heard that many Timothy's friends decide to go out or decide to run about from this case. Definitely, undoubtedly, it is show that there are something wrong in this situation. Yeah.
I want to ask you too. Why do you think bullying is happens until now, and what is the side effect in the victim point of view? I mean,
I think bullying can happen with several things. I think, like, can start from our dislike with others. Like, for the example, maybe Timothy's friends feels uncomfortable or dislike with Timothy's, then they bullied him. I think bullying can be happened with a small thing that can be, of course, it can be effect for many things, for many bad effects for the victim. Like that.
In my opinion, why it still happen around us, moreover in campus, because first it start from wanting to feel powerful, pressure, and the important one is a lack of empathy, because someone who did bullying, of course, they don't have empathy in themselves. So I think that's all.
okay, so after I heard all of your opinion, guys, and what do you think the solution of the thing that happened moreover in a campus life?
So in my opinion about the bullying in the campus, of course, I think the rules in the campus should be more strict for all of us in the campus, specifically about bullying, because there are still many of cases of bullying in the campus that very has many risks, many bad impact for others, that it can be make worse themselves in the campus. I think so. The rules in the campus should be more strict and stronger for all of them in the campus.
So the solution from me, if you see someone who is bullied, don't just stay quiet, speak up, help them, or like you can tell the teacher or your friends, or you can try to be a good friend for them. Like sometimes just asking, how are you, or are you okay? It can make a big difference. I think that's all.
Okay, so today we've heard the story of Timothy Anugrah Saputra. The case teach us that empathy is not just a feeling, it is a moral responsibility we all share. And a comment posted online may seem trivial, but for some struggling silently, it could be the final burden too heavy to bear. Thank you for listening to our podcast. We hope Timothy's story remind us all to be more aware, more caring, and more responsible. I am Masratul Kamalia.
And I am Karisma Rahmatullah.
I'm Nana Fitri Albasnan.
See you next time and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.